Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Lee's class. Today we're going to learn application problems of power. Okay, so look at the example 1. What is the surface area of a cube with an edge of 4 centimeters? So what is a cube, everyone? Cube looks like, here's a diagram. Cube looks like this, and it says the edge of 4 centimeters. So the cube has 4 centimeters. Each side, each edge has a 4 centimeters. How do you find the surface area? So surface area, you find each area and add them up. How many squares does a cube have, everyone? 6, right? So everyone, each square is 4 by 4. So what is the area of this? The area is 4 times 4, and that is 4 squared, which is 16. Is that right? And how many squares do you have in a cube? 6. So what you do is you can just multiply 4 times 4, which is 16, times by 6. Then the answer is 16 times 6, and that is 96. Okay? What is the volume, everyone? So when you find the volume is base area times the height, right? Base area is a square, which is 4 times 4. Is that right? 4 times 4, which is 16. So base area is 4 squared, and the height is 4 as well. So base area times the height is 4 squared times 4. That is 4 cubed. Then that is, if you multiply 4 to the power of 3, 4 cubed, that is 64. Okay. Alright, we're going to generalize this. Say we have a cube with the side lengths A. Then, the surface area, so the area of one square is A squared. Is that right? And the surface area, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. The surface area will be 6 times A squared. Is that right? So the surface area is 6 times A squared. And in high school, we like to just omit the multiplication sign. So that is 6A squared. This is the surface area. And the volume, everyone, volume is base times width, so base area, times the height. So you can just multiply A times A times A. So volume will be A times A times A, which is A cubed. So we can make formula of the surface area and the volume of a cube using a variable. Make sense, everyone? Okay, so let's use a formula, everyone. So we have two formulas. Surface area is 6A squared and volume is A cubed. If the side length is 1, so we can just plug 1 into A. So let's plug 1 into A, 1 into A. Then 6 times, that will be 6 times 1 squared becomes a 6. And 1 into A, that's 1 cubed. That is 1. So if A is 2, surface area is 6 times 2 squared. You can just change the order, right? 2 squared times 6 or 6 times 2 squared, they are the same. 6 times 2 squared is 2 times 4. That is 24. And the volume is 2 cubed. 2 cubed is 8. Oh, there's a typo. 2 cubed is not 3. It should be 8. Okay, fix it. 2 cubed, 8. if the side length is a 3, that means A is a 3. Then the surface area, 6 times A is a 3, so 3 squared. Then that is 6 times 9, and that is 54. And the volume is 3 cubed, that is 27. So once you make a formula, you can use it for any length of the side. Alright, everyone, you can just simply plug in that number into A. Okay, let's move on. Developing a formula. So a dish holds 100 bacteria. This bacteria doubles in number every hour. How many bacteria will be present after each number of hour? So 0 hour, there were 100 bacteria. After 1 hour, it says each hour it doubles. Okay, so 100 times 2. 2 hours. How many bacteria do you have? So it's gonna double this. Then it will be 100 times 2 times 2. Right? And 3 hour. It will be 100 times 2 times 2. So this amount of bacteria will double. Like this. Okay, so we're going to simplify it. This is 100 times 2 to the power of 1. And this is 100 times 2 to the power of 2. And this is 100 times 2 to the power of 3. Okay, after 3 hours, you have 100 times 2 cubed. And after 5 hours, how can you make the formula? How can you find how many bacteria you have? What number do I have to write? So, look at the pattern. 1 hour, you have exponent 1. 2 hours, you have the exponent 2. 3 hours, you have the exponent 3. Then 5 hours, your exponent should be 5. Then n hours, your exponent should be n. Alright, everyone? Okay. Let's move on. You can evaluate it if you want. It becomes 200, it becomes 400, so it becomes 3,200, and this becomes 800. You can evaluate it, or you can just put it into your calculator to evaluate it. Okay, example 3. The formula for the volume of a cylinder is V equals volume equals pi r squared h. So where r is the radius and h is the height. Find the volume of a cylinder with a radius 15 centimeter and the height 8. So radius 15 centimeter. That means r equals 15. The height 8 centimeter. That means h is 8. So we have the formula. And we can just simply plug 15 into r and 8 into h. Then we get pi. So times is hiding in between two numbers, two variable, or pi and r. So pi times 15 squared times 8. So now you can just put this into your calculator. So pi times 15 squared times 8. Then that is 5,654.8. So find the answer. So let's find the answer to the 1 decimal place. So you have 6 here. You're going to round up. It will be 5,654.9. Okay, and let's write down the unit. Don't forget about the unit because it's a volume. It should be cubed, cubic centimeter. Next, the height in centimeter of a plant is given by the formula this. So this is the exponent, you see? So this is 5 to the power of t over 2, where h is the height and t represent time in weeks. So t is the week and h is the height. Okay, 2 weeks. This means t is 2. 4 weeks. This means t is 4. 6. T is 6. T is n. Okay? So let's plug t equals 2 into t here. Okay, so here, h equals 5 to the power of t over 2, and we're going to plug 2 into t. So instead of t, let's write 2. 5 to the power of 2 over 2. What's 2 over 2, everyone? 1. So the answer is 5 centimeter. Then next one, 5 to the power of t over 2. So we're going to plug 4 into t. Then what's 4 over 2? That is 2. Then 5 squared is 25 centimeter. And t is 6. That will be 6 over 2. What's 6 over 2? That is 3. So 5 cubed is 125 centimeter. N weeks. Then 5 to the power of n over 2. So that is 5 to the power of n over 2 centimeter. Okay. Alright, that is it, everyone. So you may start doing your homework. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.